Hey, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. If you ring that bell, you're going to get all my recipes. And one is better than the next. Fantastic stuff. Okay, so today, artichokes. Why? Why am I doing a video on artichokes? It's a wonderful, wonderful vegetable. Wonderful. But you need to work with it a certain way. Very easy. Don't be intimidated by the artichoke. Okay? Very easy to work with. I'm going to show you how. And then you're going to say, wow, I should have known this sooner. I would be eating artichokes for years if I knew this. Okay, so here's how it works. It's very easy. You buy an artichoke. It should be a nice size artichoke. No real blemishes on it, nice and green. And I like it when it comes with this stem. Very good stuff. And all you do is take a peeler and you peel the stem. Because the outside of the stem is very fibrous, very hard to eat. So you peel it. Get the outside off. Okay. There you go. Take the bottom few leaves off because it's just easier to work with that way. Okay. Take your knife and just cut the top straight. Then take about a ½ inch off the top. Just like that. Then you take a scissor and cut. You see? Just the tip like that. Cut that off. Just the tip. Just to make it nice and straight like that. Okay, that's it. Okay, now carefully, because you want to cut right through the stem. So carefully you want to cut it in half. Okay? Hey, it's called artichokes. If you eat this part, it's going to choke you. So don't eat it. You got to get rid of it. It's no good. It's like little hairy, little bristly things. Okay? Get rid of it. And take a spoon. You'll see it's like soft over here. And just scrape right along the inside, like the bottom of the choke. And just scrape out the choke part, the bristly part. Just like that. Hey, how easy was that? Fantastic. Okay, so we peeled it, the stem part, pulled a few of the bottom leaves off, make it look nice. Cut the little tips of the leaves with scissors. Make everything looks nice. Cut the top. Beautiful. And you're all set. Take out, don't forget to take out the inside, the choke part, chokes you. Okay, so, what I'm using is my tagine. See? There's the cover. I told you, this tagine is very versatile. It's nice to saute stuff in and to cook stuff in, and of course to make a tagine. But we're going to use artichoke. Use this. We're going to use this to cook artichokes. Okay? Here's what you do. We're going to season the artichoke, a little salt. Like that. We're going to put a little olive oil in the pan. Probably about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put the artichoke face down in the olive oil. Like that. Let it cook, let it brown. Hey, while the artichokes are browning, I gotta get the rest of the ingredients together. Only 3 ingredients. Yeah, 3 ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna need some garlic, about 2 cloves of chopped garlic. A cup of vegetable broth. And about ½ cup of red wine. This is the wine I'm using today. Nice. Cabernet Sauvignon. It's pretty good to cook with. And it's a nice bottle of wine. Remember I told you, if you don't drink it, don't cook with it. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's do some cooking. I took out the artichokes. I threw in the garlic. Ooh, that's smelling good. You want to get that little toaster up, but don't burn it. Then you want to put in about half a cup of that wine. Hey, reduce that down a bit. Wonderful. Wow, that smells good. Okay. Reduce it till it's, not dry, but it got a little bit thick, a little bit syrupy. Wonderful. Add that half a cup of vegetable broth. Okay, now this is a nice, court bouillon. The wine gives it a little bit of acid. You got the vegetable broth, give it some flavor with the garlic. Fantastic. Hey, look at that nice caramelization you got on the artichokes. Nice caramelization. Put them, cut side, back down in the pan, like that. Put the fire on nice and low. I'm going to cover it and cook it for 40 minutes. Hey, make sure it's on nice and low. Leave it alone. 40 minutes. Those artichokes are going to be beautiful. Then I'm going to take the liquid and make a nice tomato sauce out of it. That's beautiful. All right, I'll see you in 40 minutes. I can hardly wait. I'm starving over here. All right. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. Place smells terrific. Check this out. These are done and beautiful. I'm going to add about a cup of tomato puree, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon freshly ground cracked black pepper, and this tomato sauce has the flavor of the wine and the garlic and that chicken broth with the flavor of the artichokes, and that's beautiful. I'm going to bring this to a simmer, and I'm going to simmer it for about 10 minutes, that's it. Just to bring the flavors together. What I like to do is put some of this on a plate. Then I can put the artichokes right on top like that. Look at how beautiful that looks. A nice brown, the artichokes are nice and brown with the tomato sauce. Wonderful. Then when you eat this, very easy. You just pull off a leaf. You can dip it in the sauce. And just use your teeth and scrape the artichoke off the leaf. Fantastic flavor. Wow, that's terrific. Hey, I like to serve this with a little pasta. Wonderful. Easy dinner, right? Not too difficult. Making artichokes is not difficult. And they're wonderful. That sauce is terrific too. Okay, so most important, let me show you how to eat an artichoke. Okay, as you're eating the artichoke, you're taking off the leaf, and the meat on the end of the actually inside, the side that's closest to the center of the artichoke, okay, that meat of that leaf is very soft. So you dip it in your sauce, and you just scrape it with your teeth. That's good. And you can see that scrapes up. As you eat the leaves that are closest to the center, there's more and more meat and less leaf. Okay. Finally, you get to the center. That's this over here. Okay. That's this in here. Okay. So this stem and this center here is solid meat. Just cut it and eat it. No more leaf. That's it. Very easy. Hey, the artichoke's a good thing. Wonderful. A little bit fancy. You're going to have a dinner party? I think it's fantastic. Braised artichokes. Woo! That's special for a special dinner. Okay, anyway, you can have it every night. You see, it's so easy to make. I'll see you at the next video. La 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 la. I'm done here. Good night.